Working with DCT has been a great partnership for Doran. When we first met Ignacio, we were a magnetic personality, but then the support from the rest of his team has been great. Working with the Doran engineering team, working with our field service technicians out in the field to help customers navigate through installations, through the ongoing maintenance and upgrades to the system. It's been a great working partnership. Agreed. One of the best features of the Doran and DCT partnership is providing real-time notification to low pressure and high temperature thermal events for the tires. And one of the things that Doran customers really like is the Cyrus mobile app, having visibility right there on their mobile phone, as well as on the desktop through the website, to be able to see the assets, get real-time notification to help prevent catastrophic tire failures out on the road.